Take up, boy. It's another week, another episode, another lifestyle living.
We need new stock.
We need
New stock.
yo.
We need new stock.
Yo. Somebody call the police. We need new stock. We need new stock.
So fede, sala no staff.
Yeah.
Lift angazi to sendleleni.
Yeah. The camera guy is early fan. Shout out.
Got you on time.
Shout out. Yeah, shout out. Shout out, you're on time. Yeah, for real. I'll see you soon on the stuff. The mom's are very recognized.
I'm funny man.
This starter is blinking. And now we have celebrate too. We shall jump my baby. We shall jump my baby. It's jump my baby. Easy.
Laptop ndoda.
Ndoda New week.
What is the new week, new episode?
What's up, chance? That's my favorite. We buy mechanic. We can't show what's happening here because there's a lot of stuff happening there. But yeah, set up on. Yo, that's how my money got your podcast.
Don't trade or shoot. Okay. Go. Yeah, Mara, I think it's gonna be okay.
But yeah, for me, what goes into a set, when I create a set, let's say it's a new one.
Yeah.
Instead of put like Popeye and spinach. For me, my set is more based on my feelings. Like, I understand.
Okay.
You'd see, I have this thing, any release or feature my mix, I call them mama listening sessions.
Yeah.
Those are based on emotions. I understand. So
How you
that,
feeling?
yeah, how am I feeling that day? I understand. Plus, Ningo menus to that. You can find what my listening sessions can be all about spirituality and like
Ring boy. New outfit every week.
Manje how to eat cheese without
Skip. I'm trying to skip.
Yaman.
Yeah. Lona cool. Let's have a little test alone. My brother. Manje van dag gaan nasuka la. Machi. Oh, food is fuck. It's fuck. Yeah. So going there, Fede. Is that really giant?
these babies are all like
Yeah,
but the set is looking odd.
Yeah,
Group
young
supply.
Group supply. No, this is chair classy.
Young chair.
Yeah, young piano hub somewhere there. Yeah, I won't say I don't want to take out the use of Siam. I want to young Kamalo Junior. Darling supply. I've been a great teacher to go that right. Yeah, so siyadlala and it's about to go down. Take Supreme, actually Crew Supply, like Take Supreme.
Kumbela
Noma kanjani? Cameraman wayithu bathi. Indoda usha ezinye ngizocollaborate noPapa noSpinash. Collaboration on YouTube, my brother, ne? Yeah. So yeah, bafethu, that's the code today. Rashufa no, Rashufa. Yeah. That's a rap, my brother.
Hey yo, that's a wrap. Shout out. Shout out Popeye and Spinach. Shout out Tech Supreme. Shout out ENC Domain. Yeah, it's a movie today. We're about to kill it. No maranjani.
Bamba. Hey man. Clean the food.
Hey yo, shout out Popeye and Spinach. Shout out Tech Supreme. Shout out ENC Domain, Entertainment Domain, Spetty Shopper Snap at Apana, no Maranjan in daughter, taking over. Yeah, it's trendy years in daughter. You see, there's nothing here, but we're about to build something. Come on now. Tell them.
You are mic'd up. That's why I go check. You're mic'd up. Pretty. Take the mic.
Yeah, so tell a man. Red Bull. Because we are professionals.
Yes.
At the end of the
We
day,
don't drink and drive.
we are professionals at the end of the day. That's the main thing. Professionalism is most important. Shout out, don't drink and drive, kids. Listen to your elders. And most importantly, watch ENC Domain and listen to Popeye and Spinach. Come on now. Okay, I see them here now. Okay,
Yeah, please. Why you inside? Yeah, it's
yeah, that's right.
Where are you? How far are you?
Literally close to the container. What do you want?
Close to the containers. We are waiting for you, Baba.
Tell him to be dropped off.
Just go to
Moagi.
drop. Wait, back drop Moagi Wings, boy.
Highway now.
Yeah.
Why
We're going there. There's a gig there, man. I'm not supposed to know. Yeah? Siyasuka, we're going to the Moagi Wings, man. Siyasuka.
Go out. Where is he coming from?
Coming in there, I'm to be here.
Tragic story.
What's going on?
I just broke the ball right now.
Just broke a bottle.
I was bringing on a complimentary bottle.
Where is it? You dropped it?
It's broken, bro.
Ah, dude.
Let me show you. This guy.
It's on a young crystal baby.
That's more. It's too dark.
It's too dark.
Too dark.
You left the lights.
Nah, I'll make it play. No, I don't want to fire like spot like that.
This is far, man.
What do you mean?
That's far.
I'm superstar. I'm a superstar. Superstar.
Good crowd though. Good crowd though.
You can. Marafowezi kufair ntwana. Tikiti. Mina ngazi le ntwana le hostile. Ngazi le ntwana le hostile mina. Ngazi le ntwana le hostile. Ngazi le ntwana le hostile sangena mahala. Upopa nespinash. Upopa nespinash bebabizile bazodlala. Asikhona nguye. Gift. Upopa nespinash kumele badlala ijena abakhona nguye.
Wow. That's why dream big to achieve
big, baba. We couldn't go. Sorry, guys. Oh, na ikona ka ihlala namajini.
Where are you, my friend?
He's not here.
Nifuna yini kanti?
Ama whisky lawa mas.
Nifuna
whisky lawa. Besihleli kahle ngale wasilisa ngapha wena.
Iona ntanga ihlala eshelfini la. Mathel I think ihlala.
Oh, rena Mathel man. Angazi nami. Namangazi. I thought we were drinking Crystal Bear today.
Ngale mara ngathi amavota yazi.
Siyazula ke yabo.
Thinking ngale eshelfini Mathel.
Acha mawuzula baqonqe njani?
Nah, Mathel lapha ya. I think ilapha ya.
Le on the shelf lapha yana is something different. Ufuni aged. Awatha aged.
Ngifuna ukubuza qala checka life eshelfini.
Nangu Hendrix mfethu. Iva ipakunja. Pakunja
iyevula mix. Ndoda nawu daddy.
Mr. Manager.
Incident.
Incident. Uthe uyasonta wena. Uthe uyasonta ufunani la? Mr. Manager usetalks about uyasonta.
Hayibona kunani kanti awuphuzi mawusona. No pastor wakho.
Iselayini phezulu.
Na fireball my chance.
Bakutshela ngemathela usitshela ngefireball.
Skisa. Mr. Manager ufunani la ngokuthela ngaphuzi. uyasona. Uvelile ku vlog ne. Phela last week bekasibaleka last week. Podcasting bekasibaleka. Simbambile. Red-handed.
Arifitho sonta
Now we have to show on mics. I'm still ongaka. I won't remember this month again.
See like that.
There's a power team. We'll try to remember. At least there is one a little bit cool.
No, that means most of the sound.
No. Only from Moaki to Tops. It's just FNP. Yeah, when now? Pega, keep it take.
Better up.
What's I like?
Better FNP. Better Capitec. You name it.
I go for keep it take. What's going on? It's on, boy. My watch it minangi one. Oh, ngomina withdraw me. Okay. This is just a cash in transit. Atingi mena wala line ya keep it check.
Now the keeper.
Aye. Vaya. What? Stockholm. What?
Waiting in the longest line, when they could have
Peasants, bruh.
Better
Better options. Mamela now, better bank nyakubona. Party cash lefini to kufana stuff.
Oh no.
No need to withdraw, man.
I am not a
Cash in transit.
I'm not a
This new sound. Hey.
Against the yim kusho ukuthi. Afere man.
Uthi imali iphomi. Thatha imali yakho yona siphele.
me. We're learning.
Angixosha.
Hey, mntana muhle leya. Skip shuf.
Oh no,
Skip shuf.
Hayi kuwe.
Sayikhiphe Capitec.
Tuphelile mfethu.
Manje ngiyabona
Abafana bekhipha itech. Ikhe itech. Iring. Mahlathi. What's a rig, dog? What's a rig?
Sayophusha amaphupho.
Wena production manager. This guy doesn't know what a rig is, my production manager. But the tripod, boy, cabang. Why am I using a tripod? Tripod? Irrigin.
Ani
Live. Izinja. Mase bashaya ebusuku yizo lezi.
Oh no, giant.
This guy is struggling to put in a car, dog. Trevor Noah. Hayibo. Ukrend. Wenzakalani? Usini? How? Ukhomani isini? Bayothenga isinkwa bayeka.
Siyakhuphula wena umngani yale. Choose umjiyele Mahlathi.
Khuluma ngawe bekhomba bani? Bathi bomngani ka Trevor. He doesn't remember this guy. Uyamphika.
Uba wonkosi. Ayibambi nalapha eAbsa dog.
Umbona ngani shokanya ka Chisel? Nalapha ayibambi?
Uthi yabami.
Oh.
Maga. Ayinjalo. Uzatana itrithi liyashaya boy. Uzalezi. Itrithi liyashaya boy. Sokutapha uzabustela lelo miyamshaya.
Sobhekana namanyala la.
Awushuta
wena awushuta. I hope this doesn't happen to us. What you think, man?
Makayano simnandi. Masijona.
Wele teacher.
VIP level, baba. VIP level.
Angas.
Ne?
Skip shoot.
So. Angicheckanga phela mara ngayichecka la. Wenjani khabotezi?
Shot it means you. Camera is always on, friend. Impegile benazi ukuthi iyakhala. Tamashisa lawa. Let's set up. Yeah, it's on. Let's set up, my thought. Send vlogger, send vlogger. Impegile. Live on YouTube. It's on.
My mic what?
Oh, what's going on about? Nyatol. Come on. Asi. Wafanya cut. It was cut. Ipele mapakati. Nyaba on. Play that.
Yeah.
If I hit it. Makoga baba makhala. How good? You don't mix.
Thank you, Apon. What are you on here? What's that?
La ngibona wena.
That's why. Izwakala friend manje wami.
Ucabanga uyeza lento le. Dog. If you want to sleep alone. Who said so? Aya papa Antoine. Aya papa le. Aya papa le. Hey, dog, I'm at work, bro. I'm at work. Preset. What's the code? Take us in, vandaag. What's the code?
Live DJ set. I got Popeye in the spinach. So right now it's set up as always, but it stays late. But we're trying our best to be on time.
Yeah. What are we shooting for today?
Dex Supreme. Dex Supreme. Oh yeah, as now going in a pair.
Yes, the owner. We are going to him. Now.
Yeah, Maria. Either way, Dex Supreme way either. Popeye and spinach. Popeye and spinach.
You still used to the Popeye spinach way, yeah? Not the only one.
Are we good?
What's up, Bongozi?
Yeah.
Turn this side, the sun, boy.
Oh, I always.
Yeah, what's the
Is
go?
everybody good?
Yeah, we now. Day 2
Day 2
of plumbing with Tianami cast.
Yeah.
What was it called? How's the vibe yesterday?
The vibe though was amazing.
Yeah. How did you take the niggas set that they played yesterday?
The set though. Yeah, technical difficulties. They had problems with the system or whatever, with the hardware. So they couldn't do their best. So today they're gonna redeem themselves.
Let's see if they can. Let's see if they can. The screen is not showing, but there's the live. Who do you want, ever? What's the door? What's the baddies? There's no baddies today. There's no baddies, boy. Because I'm winning today, boy. Yeah, yes, his wife. He's drumming with man, to why you wearing the Bafana t-shirt? Why you playing us? Don't play us like that, boys. Don't play us like that, boys. You know me, I'm always vlogging. Hard luck. I don't want to say you look pretty because LS2 fights. How are you, my friend? Hi. How are you, my friend? Are you fine? Easy. I'm wearing my fan because I don't have it. It's a team t-shirt. I thought it was. And it's too hot for that. If it was a winter game. Shout out Slender! Why is everyone sick? Why are we not sick? I don't know. Everyone else is sick. Content. It's Sunday, we are outside. Ichacha nani? Chacha nepia. Ichacha ipia. Ichacha. It's your boy, you know what it is here.